Assalamu alaikum 9th class. Today we are doing chapter number 8, page number 185 and 186. Today's our topic is volume thermal expansion. And the volume of solid also change with the change in temperature. So students, likewise length volume also change with the change of temperature. So consider a solid of volume V naught at certain temperature T naught, and its volume becomes V at temperature T. So the change in volume, likewise linear thermal expansion, the change in volume del V is equal to V minus V naught. Similarly, change in temperature is equal to delta T, that is equal to T minus T naught. So students, like linear thermal expansion, the change in volume also directly proportional to the original volume and change in temperature. So if we remove proportionality sign, there is a constant and equal sign. Here beta is the volume thermal is the coefficient of volume thermal expansion. Del V is equal to V minus V naught is equal to beta V naught delta T. This V naught becomes positive on other side of the equality. Now here V naught is common, so V is equal to V naught multiplied by 1 plus beta delta T. So where beta is the coefficient of volume thermal expansion. Definition of thermal expansion. The definition of the volume thermal expansion is the coefficient of volume thermal expansion is fractional increase in volume per Kelvin rise in temperature. This is the definition of the coefficient of volume thermal expansion. So the relation between the coefficient of volume thermal expansion and the coefficient of linear thermal expansion is beta is equal to 3 alpha. This is the relation between the coefficient of volume thermal expansion and the coefficient of linear thermal expansion. The value of coefficient of volume thermal expansion of the different materials as shown in the table 8.4. You have to learn this table for your short questions or MCQs. Now we have to do the example related to this topic. Example number 8.7. Example number 8.7. Now students, the statement of the example is find the volume of a brass cube at 100 degree whose side is 10 centimeter at 0 degree. Coefficient of linear thermal expansion of brass is 1.9 10 raised to power minus 5 per Kelvin. We have to find the volume of a brass at 100 degree. So the given length of the brass is 10 centimeter. In SI unit, it becomes 0.1 meter. The temperature delta T is equal to 100 minus 0 degree Kelvin. That becomes 100 Kelvin. This is the change in temperature. The coefficient of linear thermal expansion is 1.9 to 10 raised to power minus 5 per Kelvin. Then the coefficient of volume thermal expansion becomes, by multiplying the linear thermal expansion by the 3. We multiply 1.9 into 10 raised to power minus 5 per Kelvin. So the coefficient of volume thermal expansion becomes 5.7 into 10 raised to power minus 5 per Kelvin. Now from the length we have to find the volume. V naught is equal to L naught cube. Then L naught is 0.1 meter cube. So V naught becomes, after calculation, V naught becomes 10 raised to power minus 3 meter cube. We have to find V. The formula V is V naught 1 plus beta delta T. By putting the values, V naught is 10 raised to power minus 3, 1 plus the value of beta is 5.7 into 10 raised to power minus 5 multiplied by delta T, that is 100 Kelvin. So after calculations, our answer becomes 1.0057 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter cube. So this is the volume of the base cube at 100 degrees centigrade. Here our diary completed, that is page number 185 and 186 and 187. Thank you.